Can't find where to add contacts in LegalZoom? Watch this and you'll add one in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to your profile, then account settings, security, and finally fill in the contact's details. Navigate to the LegalZoom homepage. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. At the top bar, click on Security to open that section. Once there, click on Add Contact to start adding a new one. Enter the contact's first name in the provided field. Then, type their last name in the next field. Now, enter their email address in the email field. Type their phone number into the phone field. Finally, type their full address in the address field. Click Save to add the contact. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.